The diagram shows a trapezium OSTV. OS is A, OV is B, and ST is 2OV. So this ST is 2 times this OV. So the vector would be 2B here, right? Write the vector OT in terms of A and B. So I need OT. Now I can move from O to S and then from S to T. So OT is OS plus ST. Okay, OS is A and ST is 2B. So that would be A plus 2B. Write the vector VT in terms of A and B. Okay, now this is VT. Right? Now VT, I can start from V to O and then O to T. Because I already have OT now, which was A plus 2B. So VT would be VO plus OT. VO will be minus B because OV is B. So VO on the other direction would be minus B. Plus OT, which is A plus 2B as was seen in the first part. So simplify this, it would be A plus B.